Hey everybody, and welcome back to the RV. I am smack dab in the middle of a painting project right now. This is RV renovation station, but I thought I would pause and give myself an opportunity to whip up a quick little magnesium mocktail and figured it would be fun to record a video to show you how to do the same. This recipe was originally inspired by a dear friend of mine by the name of Hillary LeMay. You can find her on all of your favorite social media platforms. She coined the phrase magnesium mocktail a few years ago, and it has stuck like glue, especially in the essential oil and natural wellness space. So I am borrowing her idea today to bring it to you. If you are unfamiliar with magnesium, this might be a really good opportunity for you to do your own research and start looking into it. It's actually something that most of us are deficient in, especially if you are a female in America today and you eat any kind of a traditional American diet, you're going to be deficient in magnesium. Magnesium is a supplement that helps us with so many different things, from getting good sleep to healthy digestion, to reducing stress, reducing inflammation in the body, helping with workout recovery. It's really like a powerhouse mineral that you want to be getting into your body as much as you can. So you can do this a couple of ways. You can take magnesium as a supplement, just like you would in conjunction with your vitamins. You can get a magnesium oil, which is different than an essential oil, but you can pick up magnesium oil at your local health food store, or you can take it internally using a powder. This is how I like to do it because it's super easy and it gives you an opportunity to play a little bit with your oils too. So all you need for this is magnesium powder. I love this brand. It's called Natural Calm. Comes in a couple of different flavors and also an unflavored version. Today I'm going to be using the lemon version, which does have a little bit of stevia in there. So if you have a stevia allergy or you want to stay away from sweeteners, just go with the unsweetened version. You can grab this off Amazon. I'll pop the link below. So all we're going to do is grab a little bit of that magnesium powder. You need an essential oil of choice, choose your own adventure, and a sparkling water. So I have about a teaspoon of the lemon magnesium powder here in the bottom of my glass. I don't measure. I just scoop out a little bit on a teaspoon. If you've never supplemented with magnesium before, you might want to start slow and work your way up, especially if you have any kind of backup going on in your digestive system, because magnesium gets things moving, if you catch my drift. So I have a little bit of that lemon and magnesium in there, and I'm also going to add 2 drops of lime essential oil from doTERRA. Again, we don't want to use essential oils internally from any other company, simply because a lot of them are full of synthetics and fillers and chemicals that are just not safe for our digestive systems. And then we're going to top it off with some sparkling water. This is lemon. So I'm making myself like a little lemon lime mocktail spritzer, almost like a healthy version of what you might have had as a soda as a kid. You can also garnish this with your favorite fruit. You could put some ice cubes in there. I always like to serve it in a mason jar or a martini glass because it just feels like it's fancier, especially if you are maybe having a sober month or you are sober, you don't drink alcohol. This is a really fun way to be able to feel like you're holding a drink, to drink socially and get all those additional benefits from the magnesium as well as the essential oil plus the hydration from the water. So that's all you do. Have at it. Cheers. Happy travels.